Day one, Universal Day. I'm excited. I know future Tim, who's recording this all the way back in LA, is gonna chat up the majority of this, but I just want to say I'm excited. I'm ready. Let's get it.
Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of The Park God. I just want to go ahead and say I'm so sorry for the delay. You know, I came home and I was like, I can't wait to do all these videos and upload it, and then I ended up just playing Horizon Zero Dawn. So yeah, there's that. But I'm so excited to show you guys all the things I went and saw on this Florida trip. On this episode, we did go to Universal Studios Orlando. I'm not gonna lie, so I went on a weekday. I had a really strong inclination that it would be empty, and as you can see, it was very packed. Even though shockingly the rides had a very short line wait, it was pretty packed. There was a lot of camps going on this day. To be quite honest with you, I didn't even expect this many people to show up during the weekday. I didn't even know camps went this early to amusement parks, but it was just filled with multiple different camps. I look at all these people walk. This is the beginning of the day. This is like 10 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday. What? Now, obviously, I saw this and I was like, I'm not about to wait in all these lines today. So, you know, your boy had to, your boy had to go ahead and flex a little bit of dough, you know what I mean? I most definitely ended up buying the front of the line passes, as you can see right here. But it was a really beautiful time to go. I'm so excited because last time when I came here for the Halloween Horror Nights, I think back in 2022 or so, it did rain temporarily. I had brought a poncho, so I was ready, but I really did not want to go when it rained, and I lucked out so well because there was zero rain when I was there. I was like, oh, we're lit. It's so funny. I literally ended up accidentally buying a two-park 2-day pass. I was wondering why it was so expensive, and now I'm like, I have a front of the line pass for every ride in this park, in the entire park, but I'm here for 2 days, so I have to spend even more money because when I buy the front of the line tomorrow, I'm still gonna have to pay for it, and it's gonna be for both parks too. So if I try to crash out and do it all today, what am I supposed to do tomorrow? What am I supposed to do at that time? You know what? I'm just gonna relax. I got all day, guys. It's what? Maybe 9, 10 o'clock or so. So we're gonna vibe. No, we're not. Let's figure out what the first one is. So the first one ended up being the Fast and Furious ride. I was really excited to see what the difference was between this one and Hollywood Studios. Also, side note, I got the whole thing to myself. That's how empty this was. I got the entire thing by myself. Look at me, I'm just lit. I've never been on a ride all by myself before, so it was kind of eerie, kind of creepy a little bit, because I was like, hey, wait a minute. I have nobody to share this with. What if someone pulls up? Which is kind of weird. I mean, you can see no one can literally get inside with the barbed wire there, but it was pretty surreal to be driving through this whole thing alone.
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his...
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Levy, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
Move that vehicle.
It's about to get real
Interesting. All warmed up. Let's go. Woo!
Okay, gang. No flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Now we're moving.
No!
So the next thing I ended up finding, and I didn't see this the last time I was here, I had no idea this tiny area was here. I had no idea Harry Potter had this whole little area at Universal. I'm like, wait, where was this the last time I was here? And they had like a cute little show. They brought this guy. He was adorable. He was kind of just standing there. Obviously had no idea what was going on. I had no idea what was going on. But it's so cute. I had no idea this was here at all. I've seen people walk through like a brick wall, and I'm like, where are you guys going? I thought this was a restroom. This is not a restroom. This is a whole wizard area. What the fun? Around this time, I had been walking around for hours now. Honestly, I was so high. I hadn't eaten or drank a single thing since I got here, but I just really wanted to make sure that I got all the shots I wanted to. Guys, when I tell you I came here with a mission, I'm talking I whipped out my phone in the middle of wherever I was and was checking my notes to make sure I did every shot and got to every ride I wanted to on this trip.
This day has turned out a lot easier than I had expected, and it's probably because I came here on a Wednesday. Not only is it a Wednesday, it's like a random end of April, so technically school's not out just yet. It's kind of like at the end, so they still have to go to school. And so I guess maybe that's what makes it easier. I don't know, because I have a strong feeling, guys. I feel like I'm gonna be able to not only knock out everything today, but I also feel like I'm gonna be able to go all the way to the other park and do the stuff over there. But maybe that's me pushing it, because these places close at like 7 o'clock, which is honestly, that's pretty early. But yeah.
The next ride I ended up going on is the ET Adventure. I just love the scenery of all this. You know, I'm so used to being in Disney sort of slow rides. I don't think Universal has a lot of slow, dark rides in such an amazing, like, thematic way that Disney has theirs. Like, their slow rides are very entertaining, even if they're not like super big rides or roller coasters or like the wireless trackless rides that they have, but their dark rides are very well done. And this is like one of the main dark rides that I think is like a no-brainer, the best dark ride that Universal possibly has. I honestly wish they would make more things like this. Like the fact that you can walk inside of this building, it's like an indoor forest. You can feel the scenery and being inside the movie literally just by waiting in the line alone. Not only that, they have little Easter egg things from the movie. They even have E.T.'s father just appear later on just to talk to you while you're waiting in line. On top of everything, this place is probably the most coldest place I was standing inside that entire day. I can almost imagine being completely pelted with heat, feeling like you're on fire, and being able to go wait in line inside this building is probably the most refreshing thing you could possibly do.
People entering the base. Wait, they got E.T.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
Hey, in the bush. What? The orange light. I see him. Come on, let's go.
Go to Tinkley. Hurry.
E.T. go home. Tinkley out.
Welcome home.
ParkGod.
Welcome home. You are
Let go.
You have saved
AT really does feel like an acid trip. I'm not even kidding. Also, saw some cool things being built. I didn't even know this was being built, but they are adding like a Shrek area and a lot of other DreamWorks stuff in that area, and it looks like it's gonna be coming out that summer. But you know, your boy had to stop by the Krusty Krab. I've actually never been inside of here before. I was kind of sad. I was hoping I saw like, I don't know, like a Krabby Patty, but it was just really cool to be inside of this place.
Yo, look at this!
Bruh, I'm lit right now. This is like a, oh my god. It's the customers. It's the chair. It's the chair. I just want people to know I played you in a musical, bro. I straight up played you in a musical. Poor Dora. Poor Dora's all by herself over there, but like I played you in a musical. I went on Hollywood's Rip Ride Rocket. Oh my god, that opening is probably the crazy. It's just straight up. I don't know how I'm doing this by myself. Oh god. Oh god. Man, that ride, bruh. Yo, you don't get sick of stuff like that. Man, that thing is, oh, but boy, they ain't got nothing's got nothing on that Velocicoaster that I'm about to get on later. We're hyped. I don't think I want to do the Jimmy Fallon one. No shade to it, because it's pretty cool, but I just don't care. Revenge of the Mummy. There is no way I was gonna leave this park without doing this ride. This ride far outbeats California's Revenge of the Mummy, which the Revenge of the Mummy in California is still exceptional, but this one is like if it was on steroids, man. They just have more space, you know? I also really enjoy how long the ride queue is and how it really makes you feel like you're inside of a crypt. I feel like the one in LA, there's not enough space to do that. So you're just waiting outside half the time, and when you finally do go inside the tomb, you're already at the ride basically. Sadly, I did not record my experiences on any of these rides. Universal's kind of hard to record just because they do make you leave your phone on a lot of it, and if you take your phone out, they try to stop it, so I only have the line queue, but that's gonna be all for this video. Plenty more footage for the next video, so stay tuned. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe for the next one, and I will see you guys in the lines. Adios.